iRobot Roomba 780. It is the most advanced cleaning system that we've offered today. It has Dirt Detect Series 2. It has our most advanced battery with 50% better battery life. It has a new advanced cleaning head module that is now impervious to hair infiltration and tangling. And it also has our capacitive touch user interface. It carries over similar features from the existing iRobot line, our iAdapt adaptive cleaning system, with more than 60 calculations per second and dozens of behaviors in cleaning every bit of your room. It also has an RF capability where it is able to use lighthouse technology to move methodically from room to room to room and clean without your intervention.
That's great. What is the MSRP?
The MSRP is $549.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.
You're welcome.